Hello guys, back again with me Kadek Redes Kajinuarda. I'm a student at Halualu University at Informatic Engineering. On this section, I will explain about kinds of tuple. Okay, skill 3 is be careful of appositive. Appositive can cause confusion in structure question on the tuple test because an appositive can be mistaken for the subject of a sentence. An appositive is a noun that comes before or after another noun and has the same meaning. Okay, example for skill 3, be careful of appositive. Blah blah blah, George is attending the lecture. We were asked to fill in the blank. Blah blah blah, George is attending the lecture. A. Right now, be happy because of the time they see my friend. In this example, you shall recognize from the comms that George. Note the subject of the sentence. George is an appositive because this sentence still needs a subject. The best answer is D, my friends. Answer A, B, C are incorrect because they are not subject. Okay, the exercise for skill 3. Valentine Day, February 14 is a special holiday for sweetheart. Okay, the sentence is correct because there has a positive sentence. For in the tuple is be careful of present participle. Be careful of present participle. A present participle is the ing form of the verb. Example, talking and playing. In structure question on the tuple test, a present participle can cause confusion because it can be either a part of the verb or an adjective. It is part of the verb when it is present by some form of the verb be. Okay, next example for skill 4. For example for skill 4, we were asked to fill in the blank. Example, the child play in the yard is my son. A. No. B. Is. C. He was. For this example, answer is A because in this example, if you look at only the first word of the sentence, it appears that child is the subject and playing is part of the verb. If you think the playing is part of the verb, you make just answer B, is, or answer D, was to complete the verb. However, these two answers are incorrect because playing is not part of the verb. You should recognize that playing is a participle adjective rather than a verb because there is another verb in the sentence, is. In this sentence, there is a complete subject, child, and a complete verb is. So this sentence do not need another subject or verb. The best answer is A. Okay, exercise for skill 4. Okay, the next first time winning for games is award the championship. Answer, the statement is correct because it has only one verb. Skill 5 in the tuple is be careful of past participle. Past participle can cause confusion in structure question on the tuple test because past participle can be either an adjective or a part of a verb. The past participle is the form of the verb that appears with F or B. It often ends in ed, but there are also many irregular past participle in English. Okay, example for skill 5. The packages at the post office will arrive Monday. A. Have, B. Where, C. Them, D. Just. Answer A and B are incorrect because mail is an adjective and thus not need a have in verbs such as have or where. Answer C is incorrect because that is no need for the object them. Answer D is the best answer to this question. So, for this example, for skill 5, answer is D, just. Okay, the exercise for skill 5, use suspected in the string of February were arrested by the police. So the sentence is correct because the suspected in the subject where is verb and arrested past participle. So the sentence is correct. The sixth in the tuple is use coordinate connector correctly. Use coordinate connector correctly. When you have two clauses in an English sentence, you must connect the two clauses correctly. One way to connect two clauses is to use and, but, or, so, or yet between the clauses. Example: Tom is singing and Paul is dancing. Is short. Tom was bright. The later or Paul will do it. Tom took a job, so Paul no. Tom is tired, yet he is not going to sleep. In each of these examples, there are two clauses that are correctly joined with a coordinate conjunction and, but, or, to, or yet, and a comma. Next structure is coordinate connector is subject verb, coordinate connector subject verb. Example in the sentence, but she wanted to cry. C subject coordinate connector but subject C wanted to cry is verb. Coordinate connector is and, but, or, so, yet. Example for skill 6. A power failure occurred. Blah blah blah. The lamp went out. A. Then, B. So, C. Later, D. Next. In this example, you should notice quickly that there are two clauses. A power failure occurred and the lamp went out. This sentence needs a connector to join the two clauses. Then letter and next are not connector, so answer A, C, and D are not incorrect. The best answer is answer B, because you can connect to clauses. Exercise for skill 6. Trying to sell their house. It has been on the market for 2 months. That sentence is incorrect because that is have a comma and don't have a connector. Okay guys, next skill 7. Use adverb, term, and clause connector correctly. Sentence with adverb clause have two basic categories in English: study clause and connector in the following sentence. Example 1. For example, I will seek in the check before you leave. Second example, before you leave, I will seek in the check. In each of this example, there are two clauses. You live and I will seek in the check. You live and I will seek in the check. And the clause you live in an adverb time clause because it is introduced with the connector before. In the first example, the connector before come in the middle of the sentence. Before the middle of the sentence, and no comma is used. In the second example, the connector before comes at the beginning of the sentence in the pattern. When the connector comes at the beginning of the sentence, a comma is required in the middle of the sentence. Blah 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 was late and missed the appointment. I because the train the sends he. In this example, you should recognize SD that there is a verb. Was that not a subject, that is also another clause. Is missed the appointment if you cause answer A or answer C. You will have a subject for the first was, but you will not have a connector to join the two clause because you need a connector to join two clause. Answer A and C are incorrect. Answer B is incorrect because there is no subject for the first was. Answer D is the best answer because there is a subject he for the verb was and 3 and there is a connector signs to join the two clause. So for this example, answer is D. Next, the exercise for skill 7. The ground had been prepared. The seedlings were carefully planted. The sentence have a comma between a clause but missing a connector, so that sentence is incorrect. The end skill 8 is other adverb connector correctly. Adverb clause can express the idea of time and cause, as you saw in skill 7. Adverb clause can also express a number of other ideas, such as contrast, condition, manner, and place. Because these clauses are adverb clause, they have the same structure and the time and clause skill in skill 7. Okay, example for skill X. You will get a good grade on the exam provided. A studying, B study, C to study, D you study. For this example, answer is D because means contain the subject and verb you study. In this example, you should quickly notice the adverb condition connector provides. This connector comes in the middle of the sentence because if the connector must be followed by a subject and verb. The best answer to this question is answer D because contain the subject and verb you study. For this example, answer is D, you study. Okay, the end exercise for skill 8. No one is admitted to the academy university or see the education equipment. The sentence is incorrect because missing a verb on the second clause. The sentence is incorrect because missing a verb on the second clause.